Hi, would you like to create a chatbot? Well, let's see how much it is. Okay, start with chatbot. Okay, they say $50 a month here. And here, when you send up to 5,000, you're gonna be paying $45,000. Okay, first of all, let's see what is a chatbot. A chatbot is something like this. This is just a random site, and I'm gonna show you what the chatbot is like. So chatbot is something like this that is kind of like with autoresponders. When you start a new conversation, just gonna say hi, send. Already is asking for my email address. So already is asking for my email address. So do you see how a chatbot is a lead capturer? There's no form. This is one of the easiest way to capture leads, to get leads, is using a chatbot. Now you can also have this. We went through these two sites. I mean, you can get this for 45, and I'm not trying to sell you any of this because this is a lot. Even myself, I won't pay for this. But what if I can show you a tool that you can sign up for free today, and you don't need to create a chatbot from scratch? All you're gonna need to do is just to select from templates that they're already building for you. Whether you are an agency, you are an animal care, taker, you are a gallery person, whether you're looking for something for your bank, you are a blogger, you have books, you are a car dealer, you are a person that deals with charity or churches. There's just all templates for you. First thing first that you're gonna need to do is to click the link in the description and open a free account on Builderall. This is Builderall. If you want to have something like this, you want to make sure that you open a free account on Builderall. Well, if you want to create your own chatbot, you can still do that from Builderall by clicking on Create Chat and giving the name of your chat. But then, if you like nice things and you don't have time to go in to create your own chat like myself, you can come up here. Once you are here, let's just say maybe you want to preview if these chatbots are really nice. You can just preview any of them. Let's see. Let's try the banking chatbot. Let's see how this looks like. So it's gonna take you to your Facebook. Currently there are over 1.3 million people that are using Messenger. Did you see what was happening? Everything was just automated. It went from here, welcome to our banking service, telling the mission, everything, it was just automated. Look, if you have a business page on Facebook, you're not always gonna be there for 24 hours. You need something like a chatbot that is gonna communicate with people. You know what? People, they are always online 24 hours, and it's not always where you're gonna capture them. People, if they write to you and they don't find you at that specific time, they're gonna leave. But if you have something like this that is gonna keep them, and chatting with them, then you know that you get their details. Look how it goes like. First of all, it gives them options, book an appointment. So it means when they click on book an appointment, let me click here, they're gonna be required to enter their details. You see here it says book now. How many is this? This is all happening while you are asleep, while you are eating, or while you are on a holiday. You're gonna be capturing leads. You're gonna be capturing leads. How amazing is this? You're gonna be capturing leads. Let's review one of other chatbots. I love this. These chatbots, the way they've been so made, they're just amazing. Let's review doctor's chatbot. Where is the dental? Let's preview this. If you are a doctor, you're gonna need something like this. I mean, if you're a doctor during the day, probably busy, you're gonna need something like this that is gonna capture leads for you. unlike having someone that you're gonna be paying to take leads over the phone call. Look at this. It is start from your welcome to the name of the company here. If you decide to install this or integrate this, or your page, welcome to dental center, where your health and happiness is our top priority. Everything is made for you. You can always customize this, enter your company. If you want to remove something, you can always do that. All you need to do, you just need to install any chatbot that you like, and this is gonna help you to get more leads. So if you want to get more leads, if you are serious about building and growing your business, you need a nice chatbot from Builderall, like one of these. Builderall's got every chatbot for the niche that you are in. So for every niche, look, obviously you can't use all of this because you're probably a life coach, you are a doctor, so obviously you can use all of this on your page. What you can do, if let's just say you are a marketer, you can also sell this chatbot to people that that they need something like this, because already Builderall has availed this to you. So why not sell them if you can? Because there are people out there that are struggling to get leads every now and then, and chatbot is one of the effective ways to get leads. Look at this here. Probably the owner of this website here, they are asleep, but already this thing here is capturing leads for them, this chatbot here. Tomorrow when they get to the office, already they have a list of people that are requesting their services. So you want to make sure that you open an account on Builderall to access these chatbots that you can always use. Obviously you're not gonna use all of them. Some, if you want, you can sell this or even give them away for free to your friends and families. But if you wanna grow your business and get more leads, then chatbot is one of the most effective ways to go. You can integrate this on your pages, so make sure that you get this free account on Builderall using the link in my description. Alright, cool. If you have any questions with regards to this, let me know. I will answer every question because I've been using this for over a year now, so I know what I'm talking about. I will see you on the next video. Signing out. Ciao.